Okay, I'm pressing F2 in order to so I restart computer and press F2 in order to load BIOS settings. So if your computer or laptop displaying error, no boot device, please press any key to restart. And then it means you have problems with so usually it's if your hard drive is corrupted in section with Windows files, or if it's worst case, maybe your hard drive is damaged for some reason. Okay, maybe it has its many bad sectors what are damaged, not whole drive. Okay, so how to fix error no boot device? Please press any key to restart. So you need to open BIOS settings. In my case, I use button F2 on the keyboard. Yeah, so F2, and it was I click on it while computer was loading. Okay, so now we need to check. So okay, so on the first page we can see that we have fixed HDD SATA ODD. You see this? That means that hard drive is able to so hard drive is visible. That's good sign. That means that hard drive is possible to access. Let's go to boot, and here we need boot list option, legacy. In your case maybe it's this one, but you need legacy. So switch to legacy and you will be able to boot your computer without error. Okay, so here is priority of how your so how everything will work. So in priority disk drive, hard drive, then USB storage device, and it comes latest network. Okay, so first make sure it's legacy on your boot list option. If it's not, if it's this one, change to legacy. If you are not able to switch to legacy, there is another way how you can switch it. So I restarted my computer now, and I need to press F12 button now. Yeah, you see boot options. Let's press it. Okay, so now we are in you see boot mode is set to legacy, secure boot is off. So you see legacy options. Once you are in with this option, you can start, for example, run here diagnostics, or for example change boot settings. Yes, and here you'll be able to switch to legacy. Now it's offering me this one mode, but because I'm using legacy already. And in this case you can if you are not able to change to legacy in BIOS, use this method to change here. Yes, so change boot settings, and once legacy options will be displayed, you can run diagnostics, for example hard drive diagnostics, and it should work then. Okay, so yeah, if it's not working, but if you are able to enter in F12 mode, yes, like I was able, then you will be able to reinstall Windows. It means your hard drive is working. But better if you will first try to load Windows in if you'll try to load Windows in by using safe mode. So press boot options F12, select safe mode if you are already switched to legacy, and you'll be able to and you'll be able to load your Windows. Here in diagnostics you can check also if you're facing any errors. So in diagnostic you can check your computer fully, and if in case if there is any damage. But in most cases, if you're using Dell computer, you should try this method of switching to legacy mode. Then usually everything working great. And when you switch to legacy mode, then enter in select method of load safe mode, and everything will be working good. Okay guys, at this point it's that video is ended, but I finished but I would like to ask you, please write in comments below in section what laptop you are using or computer, and if this video was helpful or not. If it's not helpful, please type your computer, laptop model, and what Windows you are using, and I will record you how to fix that. So because there are many variations, so for some cases it works, for some not. So please write in comment section below, and I will try to help you. Okay guys, thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye.